Easy to install. Just plug your watching charging cable into the bottom hidden cable port and take it out and insert it into the wall charging station. Detachable nightlight designed for your unexpected needs. Touch to adjust a variety of colors, breathing and jump modes for you to choose. Long press for 3 seconds to enter the time and alarm settings. Press again for 3 seconds to set the minutes and wait for 5 seconds to default to the current setting. If you need to turn off the alarm, long press the 3-second alarm icon to enter the alarm setting. Long press again for 3 seconds to enter the alarm minute setting. Press again for 3 seconds to turn off the alarm. 10 to 100 night light display brightness can be adjusted according to needs so that the light is soft and not dazzling in the dark night. When you wake up in the middle of the night, the traditional household electric light is compared with a night light, which can protect your eyes and will not be so dazzling.